Well, if you didn't see it a few weeks ago, that guy right there, Colt Nichols and the Beta Factory squad mutually parted ways. And whether that's he didn't like the bike, they didn't like him on the bike, they fully saw that he was getting outclassed by Benny Bloss, who probably should have been the second rider. Let's be honest, most of these teams have a one and a two rider. Let's be clear about that. Well, the rumor was that he was going back to Suzuki. And that was 2 weeks ago as his last post on Instagram for anything bike related until today, where he posted on his story. So who knows whether this is just him riding a bike or test riding or he's at a test track with a team and they're doing it, but that bike's yellow and it's progressive. So progressive Suzuki? Who knows? I mean, it's kind of for him. He said, for the best part of my career, or the best for his career moving forward. That's what he said, to part ways with the Beta Squad. Which, personally, as a rider, at least somebody from the outside, I'd want to be on a factory squad. That bike is only going to get, or should. I'll preface this. That bike should only get better with development time and sponsorship money and just race laps. It's going to be developed and hopefully become a better bike. That's how these things work. You get a baseline, you move forward, and there it is. But now he's moving back to Suzuki, which I guess if you're comfortable on it, it's never changed, so it's probably good. You know how it's going to be, but still having the kickstart, still being a bike from 20 years ago, it's you're moving backwards. To From a factory squad who should only be getting better to a satellite team at best. I don't know how you want to word this really. And I don't know. To me, this is a weird move. You finally get your break. You finally get a big factory team. You look like you should be the number one guy on that team, and you get outperformed, and you don't look good on it. And I don't know if that's him not being comfortable or what happened. I don't know, but it's kind of a weird move to me. Especially that it happened like in the middle of the season. He couldn't even finish out the year and then leave the squad. So something must have been really wrong, or he just really didn't like it. I don't know. Or internally, who knows what really happened there? They're always going to say we mutually parted ways now. That's a PR thing that you don't want to look bad. The team doesn't want to look bad. We'll just say, whatever, you can leave, and nobody's going to say anything about each other and move on from it. But I don't know. Comments down below. You guys tell me. Do you think he's going to be good on the Suzuki? When do you think he's going to be racing? Are you happy about this move? Do you think it's a stupid move to leave a factory squad? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.